Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bulldog Abrasives channel, your go-to source for all things automotive paint and bodywork. Great to have you guys back on the channel. Over the next 2 episodes, we'll take you through the complete process from feather edging up to the final finishing and blending. As always, it's important to start with a clean panel. For this process, we'll need a pump action spray bottle, a Bluetex cloth, and then an airline. What we need to use to clean the panel is a degreaser. We recommend using a degreaser to remove any surface contaminants. Simply spray the panel generously with the cleaner and wipe it down with a lint-free cloth, like a Bluetex cloth. Then use an airline to thoroughly dry the panel before moving on to the next step. After the panel has been thoroughly cleaned, the next step is to feather edge with a P320. You can either use an Abrasives disc or a Merkur Gold disc. The choice is yours. If there are any sensitive areas that you cannot reach with the sander, you'll need to sand those by using a superfine flat pad. During the sanding process, it is common to encounter some pinholes or defects, as you can see here on the body filler. Not to worry, we do have a product for that. It is called Elastic Wise. It is a fine stopper. It has easy filling properties to fill any defects or deep scratches before or after primer. Once the stopper is properly dried, we can then proceed to sand with a P180 Abrasives strip. The last step is to once again clean it with an airline and then proceed to clean it with your degreaser and a Bluetex cloth. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Please hit like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. Please catch us on the next episode for the sanding procedures on top of primer. Thank you.